compromise, 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 bargain, 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 counteroffer, 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 common ground, common ground, common ground, stakeholder, 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 compromise. For example, the deal required some compromise from both sides. Bargain. For example, he is known for his ability to bargain effectively. Counteroffer. For example, we're waiting for their response to our counteroffer. Common ground. For example, finding common ground is key to successful negotiations. Stakeholder. For example, all stakeholders must be involved in the negotiation process.